All right, we are on to homework and I'm mixing things up. We've done a lot. Well, I think we've done all of the homework in our workbook already in the video lectures. So now is the time to be creative, have some fun, show me your skills, and earn your points, because I'm not just going to have you follow 3 directions from the book. So I want you guys to find a photo that will work for vanishing point. Now you can go on Google, you can go on any royalty-free place. I grabbed this one from Google and just did a screenshot of it off of obviously a stock photography place because they have their watermark all over it. But with a little bit of work, I patched up a few things, got rid of a few of the letter A's down here just on my duplicate layer. But then I also started working in vanishing mode, and I put on the grid, and as you can see, I added some paint stripes, I added some words on the left side and on the right side, and the same way we brought in pixels of type from our book exercise, I copied this image from right here, and so I was copying the pixels and I went into vanishing mode and I pasted it, and of course it lands up here, and then I dragged it down into one of the planes and resized it. So this is an image brought into vanishing mode, and you can also tell that I added some windows, I cleaned up some graffiti over here, I did a few other things, and then I also, those are just the text layers that I had to add originally to copy the pixels and bring them into vanishing point. And then I went and grabbed the elephant from our previous exercise, and I would like you to do the same. Bring the elephant into whatever picture you choose and use puppet warp on the elephant. So he cannot look like he did in the original assignment, which is this. So you can tell from mine, I flipped him, I moved his feet, I put his tusk up in the air. So this project right here is demonstrating puppet warp and vanishing point. Another one that I did just for fun was the rock displacement project. Again, I just went online and I looked for a picture of a big rock or a boulder, and then I did the displacement map, which we learned in the book with the loon in the water, and I played around with that. I did think about bringing that rock into this image and placing it down here and including that, but I didn't. So your choices are, you may use this original image, I'll bring it in like this, and you need to use vanishing point and show me several skills like I did in my demo here. And you either need to bring in the elephant and do some puppet warping with the elephant on your new scene, or you need to find a way to use a displacement map. And as we saw with the loon, there needs to be some texture for it to really work. And then of course you can play with the blending modes and or opacity. So on this version where I typed in Brenda was here, I changed the opacity. You can also see if different blending modes give you a look that you would like, but you need to do something. So again, you definitely have to do vanishing point, but then your choice is to bring in the elephant and do puppet warp, or bring in something, that boulder, a brick wall, something, and do a displacement map demo on that. So creative time. I really want to see you putting these skills to work from chapters 8 and 9. And then I would like you to write in the comment box what you did and if you had any glitches or how you worked around it or figured it out. And again, this is just an exercise to really show me that you know how to use these tools in a creative way. So have some fun with it. If you have questions, send me an email or ask if I see you anywhere, and have fun with it. And that is it. It'll just be this one assignment for this week for these 2 chapters. carry on.